Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to use coins in AliExpress. First of all, what you have to do is launch open AliExpress application. You can see over here AliExpress application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At top of this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for coins. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the coins interface. You'll be able to see the products eligible for coin discounts over here. Simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to view the products. You can simply scroll down in order to see more products over here. So if you want to purchase a product with the coin discount, what you have to do is simply tap on the product that you would like to purchase. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see that specific product. What you have to do is tap on the buy now option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, simply select the color, size and quantity according to the product that you select. Tap on the option continue. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface. Now in checkout interface, if you see in the summary section, you'll be able to find the items total over here. Also, you'll be able to find the items discount. You'll be able to see the amount of discount offered due to the use of coins over here. So like this, you'll be able to use the coins. Now you can simply place the order. So that is how you use coins in AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.